In class number 18, we are going to understand shadowing variable in Rust. So first of all, we have to understand what is shadow variable. Then we have to understand difference between shadow versus mutability. Then we also need to understand scope versus shadowing. So let's understand it with the example. Again, create a new project. I say cargo new. I say class number 18. I say shadowing like this. Go to this and again open this shadow. Here we need to understand what is shadow. Suppose I create a variable here. I say x, remember, equal to 10. I print this also like this. And I say x equal to, and I pass the value of x. Simple one. Cargo run and you will have the answer x equal to 10. Nothing special, it's a very simple one. Now once again, if I declare let x equal to, you can say I say 40 once again, and I copy it once again. You see x equal to this. Try to execute. You see that there is no error at all. So I am creating this x variable again. So creating a new variable, with same name as declared earlier. Remember this. So creating a new variable with same name as declared earlier is called shadow variable. So this x is already created. Again we have created this variable with same name is called shadowing of. That means we can say it's a shadowing of this variable. Remember that. So this is shadow variable. Now we have to understand the shadowing versus mutability. Here if I declare one variable as a mute here, so that means I can reinitialize this value. I say x equal to 40. So that means I can modify this value again. If it is initialized 10, then it can be 40 itself. Remember that. Same variable, we are modifying a value, and if I try to execute it, you see that we have the same value 40 and we have 40 here. But it is not a mutability, it's a shadowing. Shadowing means I can initialize here some other data type also. I say 50.67, you see. So earlier it was of integer type I32, but now it is a F64. But here in same variable I cannot initialize as a float value because it would be error, because it's an integer type and you can't initialize it as a float value. Remember that. So this is the mutability. In mutability you can change the value of an array with same data type value, not other value. Means integer type you can change only integer value, but in shadowing I can change data type also. If I try to execute, you see the answer, no problem at all. And I